Habai Kren bekilar pathai khubor Menteri Rang Bak Jelau Conrad Kongkal Sangma. Ulang bak sarkar kamdan eiei ban Kren halor ke Jingkhynra ke pelong dak Enforcement Directorate namar bagadik agensi ke balaya yala ka kamram dak jing dak luoj. Ulang ba kanlong ke babaklai ke sarkar ban Kren eiei ne bentuklar halor kaduk lenti. Bar ulang bagadik ka Enforcement Directorate ke pelong ya ke jing toket bag sarkar kan tuklar eiei namar kam shimla pelong ya ke jing toket.
For government to react, it's an agency that does its job independently. It will be wrong for government to react or to interfere in any way.
But do you agree that there are some misuse of funds?
As I said, that's for the ED to find out. That's not something that we're not investigating in it. So it'd be wrong on my part as I said to even interfere or to find out and what's happening. So it's an independent agency. It will do its job.